Greetings. My name is Julian K. Smith Jr. I am a professional trumpet player and here to help your nephew, son, or cousin play trumpet. If you know anyone that is looking for trumpet coaching, I am here to help them become the best, to get collegiate scholarships, to help them get through school, or even just to start playing trumpet. You can contact me at 404-579-0279 or at jk85groove@aol.com. I am a graduate of Southwest DeKalb, also a graduate of Bethune-Cookman University. I have traveled around the world as a solo performer and also played in Disney World. I have many accomplishments and played around the city. So, once again, my name is Julian Smith. I'm ready to help your loved one, in particular young man or young lady, to become the best on this instrument. Contact me for your loved one to be the best they can be. Thank you.